Jordan here from RR Equipment. Today we're at the Tamworth Regional Livestock Exchange. We're just going to have a talk to Neil here about the Boomer 50 and a couple of implements they use here.
I do most of the operations of the machinery and that here. The Boomer, first up, we use it for a few different implements and that around the yards, also outside slashing and that sort of thing. It's ideal inside the yards because it is small, it's got a good turning circle, and it does everything I need it to do within the yards. It's easy machine to maintain and drive, and to me that's a big thing when you're in a very confined area like we use here. I just find it to be a great little machine.